guys, we are in the audit. I'll just show you. Actually, I've just started the vlog. It's almost half like आधा दिन हो गया guys, and I didn't get to shoot much because I was not allowed to go out. Now for lunch I've come here. I've just done my lunch guys. Like there's a big story. Like I almost waited for an hour for lunch, but when I actually arrived near the food, they told ki there's no food, you gotta come after 1 hour. That's real breakup guys. Seriously, I was hungry guys, and when I went to the VIP section, there I almost stood again 1 hour for the line, and they told ki non-veg is over, there's only veg, and the veg food is like can't tell you guys. Today I have my daridram on top. It's my fit guys. Fit check. Now I have to go inside and I have to record what's going on. Stay tuned guys. Finally we ate guys. Reflection was yeah. I don't have a tripod, so manage guys. This is Abhilash, you guys know. So hi guys, here we have JNTH alumni sitting over here. So we'll just ask them how was their experience in this college. So hi sir, so yeah, which batch alumni are you sir?
I am from 1978 to 83. We joined in the year 1978. We passed out in the year 83. Ours was the last 5-year batch.
Okay, nice.
Our next batch is Mr. Vijay Kumar.
First 4-year batch, 79.
They all belong to the 4-year batches. I
Okay.
belong to the last 5-year batch.
Okay, sir. So
So
how
earlier
is
when we were students, this was not the campus. Our campus was in Masap Tank.
Masap Tank?
So, but when we were in the final year, at that time the construction etc. the work started. The land was acquired and the construction also started. And we had our college day function here. Our college day, one college day function. So we transported ourselves from that part, that is Masap Tank, and we all came here. So that was our first visit to the campus. That was in 1983.
So how do you
83 or
feel
maybe
coming
82.
here after so many
No?
years sir?
No, we have been coming. Subsequently, we've been coming.
You'll have
For the
get-togethers.
alumni associations, we've been coming, and also I was with the government. I was with the government as JHMC, and JNTU was a consultant for us. So they were offering consultancy. So in that connection, also I used to come to the university and also the college.
Okay, hi sir.
Hi,
Can you share us Can you share us the experience you had today, sir?
I am from first 4-year batch,
Okay.
civil engineering.
Okay.
Our college was Nagarjuna Sagar Engineering College.
Okay.
Now it is called JNTU Engineering College.
How do you feel after so many years, sir?
This is also a very frequently visited campus for us because we stay here only in Hyderabad. So this is very not new, and occasionally we friends also meet. So nothing new. Nowadays it is nothing new. But when we met first 20 years back. That was after a long gap of 25 years we met. Then it was exciting to see old friends, etc. Now all friends are fresh. They are just like we are seeing yesterday because of the phones, etc.
Yes.
Today we are everyday contact. Earlier,
It's nice seeing everyone are you still connected.
Yeah.
Because nowadays these kids are not really connected, right?
we are all connected. We are all connected.
Yeah.
Inter-batch connections are also there.
Yeah.
Some of our seniors also we were able to meet
Nice.
because
It is
4
very
years,
nice.
3 years prior to us and 3 years juniors to us, all of us, most of the batch people have already come.
It was a small campus, so it was like a family.
Yes. Sir.
So
What
almost
about you,
everybody knew everybody else.
Yeah, when it was in Masap Tank, it was very small building in fact. You might have seen that near
No,
just
sir.
beside Polytechnic. Because
4
everybody will
floors, so
be
each floor 4 rooms.
around there only.
Now it is ITI college, I guess. Not that.
No, Polytechnic is separate.
Okay.
JNTU still architecture is
Okay.
being done there.
Okay.
And we have come over here and during our final year. to this campus, there were only 2 buildings and some hostel and girls' hostel. Only one girls' hostel was there. And boys' hostel, Krishna, Godavari, Kaveri were there. Now also, I think they are still there. So these were the things, and no other buildings except for the main building where we used to have classes.
One is
Now so many
administrative
buildings have come up. Huh?
One is administrative building. Next was the classrooms. That's it.
So, any suggestion would you like to give us to the younger generation, sir?
Enjoy the period whenever you are staying in the college. This time will not come to you.
Yeah. And not only that, study well, go ahead, and later on, after this, like this type of alumni, you can come and meet your old friends and everybody. Hopefully, we also may join during that time. And wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir. You, sir?
Wish you all the best in coming years, as well as what our Deputy CM said. You do something best to society. All the best in your future life.
Thank you, sir. You, sir? Any suggestion would you like to give us?
For the students now?
Yes. The one who are studying right now. Because most of them will see this vlog, right, sir?
Yeah. So anyway, do well in your life, study well, all the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. It was nice meeting you. So guys, we have Shlokita with us, guys. Take two. So guys, we have Shlokita with us. Hi. So, wonderful. So, how is your experience in this event, Shlokita? అన్ని బాధలు చెప్పుకో ఇంకా స్టార్ట్ చేసి వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు చెకి టాక్స్ సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద స్టఫ్ గైస్ అక్కడ ఎవరు లేరు గైస్ మన వాళ్ళు ఎవరు లేరు గైస్ దాంట్లో ఇట్లాంటి మంచి మంచి వాటిలో మేము ఉండం గైస్ మేము యాక్చువల్లీ ఉండాల్సింది గైస్ కదా వీఆర్ కాంటెంట్ క్రియేటర్స్ బట్ మాకు పెట్టలే గైస్ వాళ్ళు సో నో ప్రాబ్లం గైస్ నో ప్రాబ్లం ఫర్ టుడే సో యా గైస్ ఇక్కడ ఏం పెట్టారు అన్నీ ఏం పెట్టారో ఐ డోంట్ నో గైస్ ఐ డెంట్ సీ సో యా గైస్ ఐ జస్ట్ walk through like this so that you can pause and see this is the alumni guys thumbnail kosam guys and yeah guys that's it I don't have anything to capture guys I'm so sorry అయితే అక్కడ శ్లోకిత ఉందంట వీళ్ళు ఇక్కడ
హెడ్లైన్స్ ఉన్నా ఎన్ మీద ఉన్నా
ఏమో
హాయ్ శ్లోకిత చలో
చలో యా గైస్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఇట్ విల్ గో ఇన్
కాన్వర్సేషన్ అప్పుడు
yeah we'll go in guys and just see what all content we can get guys
విల్ గివ్ యూ అ టూర్ గైస్
yes guys this is it guys actually it's just start from the like event start అవుతుంది ఇక్కడ నుంచే ఆడిట్లోనే జరుగుతుంది వేరే కాలేజ్లో ఏం పనిలేదు ఐ మీన్ వేరే దాంట్లో సో యా Zoyan in the house guys where's Zoyan yeah oh that's how we enter guys this is the entry I'll just give you the clips of the audit I took it ఇందాకే wow ఈ వింటర్లో ఈ ఎండ ఏందో నాకు అర్థం కాదు గైస్ సీరియస్లీ వెరీ బ్యాడ్ మిర్రర్ గైస్ fit check guys so hi guys fit check
yes guys mandatory
Hi guys, we have Nishant Anna here guys. Anna is busy. Yeah, that's Anna guys. I will show him soon. His outfit is. I'll show you guys his fit check guys. Anna vlog Anna.
Surana West.
Crazy.
इधे स्कॉला जस्ट इधर
No no. Hi जब पहन लेना दिखा.
वो ऊपर वाला
हाँ.
उधर है सीट पे है.
Say hi to YouTube channel.
Hi Sumaya's followers. गंदना. How are you?
Fine Anna. Me upstage लेने का था interview.
अभी चे?
हाँ.
उधर बैठेंगे स्टेज पे.
Stage पे साधा कैमरा लेके. So Anna's fit check.
फिर चेक कर.
Back fit check. Anna's fit check.
Passed out of ECE in 1980 and for today's session. Good celebrations. It gives us pride and a sense of participation in these celebrations. Hopefully we will be able to join in.
So hi guys, there's something called a Project Expo over here. So yeah.
Let's get into the conference hall. So guys, we are actually a part of Project Expo. So we'll just go through all the projects and we'll give you a list of the projects. Now we'll start with our 5th year students, CSE department. Okay, yeah, hi.
Hi.
Sure. Can you just explain me your project?
So basically, we're building a startup named Invera. So it means new era of inventory, as it states.
Oh, nice.
So basically, what Invera does is it's a B2B SaaS platform. It helps businesses prevent overstocking and understocking.
Okay.
Hi Sumaya.
Hi guys.
So yeah, what's your project about?
Okay, so this is my project setup. Yeah. This is my project setup. Actually, our topic is real-time railway track detection system. So basically, it tells that we actually set up a transmitter and a receiver, and this ion scale will act like a track. Basically, this ion scale will act like a track. So this transmitter part will be there near the loco pilot, which means the driver of the train. So he will send the message to the transmitter saying that the train is arriving. So it will receive the message, and it will tell the vibration sensor to activate. So whenever the train is arriving, so the vibrations gets here on the track, and when you tap on the, like, when the train is coming, it will vibrate the track, and it will send the data. Like, see, we have actually set up a threshold, that means 20. So whenever the count is 20 or more than 20, it means that it's a good track. Or whenever there's a gap in the track, that means if we have a gap, so that means the threshold will be less than 20. So that means it will detect that it's a bad track. So the buzzer sound indicates that it's a bad track, so that the message will go to the transmitter saying that there's a crack in the track, so that by this we can save people from accidents and many things. So guys, this is their project. Yeah. These are our first year students, freshers.
My name is Shenmukh. I am the founder of Shanti Creations Private Limited. So we have built an electronic simulator where students can directly do all their circuit projects directly on our simulator. And we have 15 pre-built projects as well and a circuit validator. We are also building a mechatronic simulator where students can build combat drones and robotics right in our browser itself. And this is a quantum game which will be launching soon. All of this is available in shanzi.co.in.
Thank you.
Okay, so guys, you guys are from which year?
First year mechanical.
So these students have created a project named Footstep Energy Generator. So can you just explain me about your project?
Sure. This is the footstep energy generator. Like when you are giving pressure, it generates electricity. We have given light here just to show that electricity is being generated. The actual product will have a battery to collect the electricity. Currently, it's working on a mechanical process where we have used gears and rack and pinion gear and a motor to rotate the motor to produce electricity.
So basically this is a hybrid petro-electric vehicle which works on both petrol and electricity at the same time. So we can see the demonstration video. In this video we just attached a motor and a battery to the vehicle, which is a previous vehicle we use it temporarily. This is a controller where we can charge the battery.
So basically they have created a scooty where it works with electricity and as well as petrol. Wow, nice, no?
Here it is working in electric mode. We can switch it into petrol mode easily.
Wow.
And the idea we have is we have to charge the vehicle while we are moving, so that
This is a smart drip irrigation system. We have pumps which can be set to variable speeds based on the soil moisture content.
Okay.
So we're using two models, one based on computer vision and one based on machine learning. The computer vision model looks at the growth stage of the plant and determines the amount of moisture it needs to grow, while the ML model has pre-fed data determining the water the plant needs to grow. So it uses both of them and sends data to the Arduino, which turns on the motors to water the plants.
A poster. Thank you. Yeah.
Like actually these are the sensors, piezoelectric sensors. These convert the mechanical energy to electrical energy. Like if you can see, when I press here, it is converting.
This mechanical stress will convert into the electrical stress,
because
right?
of that piezoelectric material, which is the quartz crystal.
Yeah.
Because of the atoms arrangement, when we press, the atoms will make a dipole moment. Like the positive ones move to the upper surface and the negative ones move to the lower surface, which will create a potential difference, which in result causes to a pulse of potential.
Yeah, we simplify that pulse using this rectifier diode. We have a capacitor circuit and we store the result in a rechargeable battery.
Yes.
Okay. So whenever the vehicle is moving, it will apply a
Our main motto is to not for the vehicles, because as it is a piezoelectric sensor,
footsteps.
Like footsteps, like it in footpath side.
అంటే వెహికల్ వస్తే అది అంత ప్రెషర్
Load
హెవీ
load అంత ఎఫెక్ట్.
సో ఇట్లా ఎలక్ట్రికల్ ఎనర్జీ వచ్చి ఈ బ్యాటరీలో స్టోర్ చేసి ఇట్లా ఇన్స్టెంట్ యూస్.
బట్ మినిమం నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ప్రెసెస్ వచ్చినప్పుడు దట్ రిక్వైర్డ్ పొటెన్షియల్ అనేది బ్యాటరీలో స్టోర్ అవ్వాలి.
ఓకే
Okay, nice.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
So alumni has come to check out the projects.
Now we can start by switching it into the opposite side.
Space with the School of Architecture and State Council of Higher Education, and after a lot of
opportunities. JNTU students must lead India, not scroll endlessly while India races ahead. The world is changing fast. You already have role models on your campus, like R. Nitin. Use the Entrepreneurship Development Cell, the JNTU Technology Business Incubator.
Hi guys. My legs are aching, guys. My legs are aching, standing and explaining, guys. My badge. These are my setup. We'll be seeing in the videos, guys. But my legs are aching, guys. Too much garmi, guys. I just remember our science fair, guys.
What is law of conservation of energy? You're asking why? Energy is coming from one form of another form.
Yeah, the same copy paste. Bye guys.